Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to Apple Pay someone with tap. Alright, so let's begin. Before you get started, make sure both iPhones meet the necessary requirements and are compatible with this feature. You'll need an iPhone running a supported version of iOS, Apple Cash set up in the Wallet app, Apple Pay enabled, and an active Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. If you haven't set up Apple Cash yet, open the Wallet app and follow the instructions on your screen to complete the setup. Depending on your iOS version, you may also be able to access the Tap to Cash feature directly through the options available on your Apple Cash card. Once everything is ready, you're good to go. Now, hold the top portions of both iPhones close to each other. The devices should automatically recognize one another and display the Tap to Cash interface. Keep the phones close together until the connection has been established. Once the connection is ready, enter the amount of money you want to send. Make sure you carefully check the amount before continuing, as this will help you avoid accidentally sending the wrong payment. Next, review the payment details before confirming the transaction. Once the recipient is detected, verify their name and double-check the amount you're sending. Make sure everything is correct before moving forward. After you've reviewed the information, it's time to authorize the payment. Depending on your iPhone model, you may need to double-click the side button and authenticate the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Once you've successfully authenticated the payment, Apple Pay will securely process the transfer. At this point, simply wait for the transaction to finish and look for the confirmation message. After the payment is completed, both devices should display a confirmation indicating that the money was successfully sent and received. In most cases, the funds will appear in the recipient's Apple Cash balance almost immediately, and that's it. So that's basically how to Apple Pay someone with tap. So that's all for this video.